Have you ever wondered what would happen if every person on Earth jumped at exactly the same moment? At first, it sounds like something that could shake the entire planet. After all, there are more than 8 billion people living on Earth. If everyone jumped together, would the Earth move? Would it cause a giant earthquake? Or could it change the planet's orbit? The answer is surprising. Even if every human jumped at the same time, the Earth would barely notice. While all of those people together weigh hundreds of billions of kilograms, the Earth itself weighs about 5.97 sextillion kilograms. Compared to our planet, humanity is incredibly small. When everyone jumps, they push against the ground and lift off for a brief moment. During that time, the Earth experiences an extremely tiny force in the opposite direction. The movement is so small that no human or scientific instrument would notice the planet moving. The bigger event happens when everyone lands. As billions of people hit the ground, they would create vibrations. However, those vibrations would spread out and quickly disappear. They would not be strong enough to trigger earthquakes or damage the Earth's surface. Scientists explain that earthquakes are caused by the movement of massive tectonic plates deep beneath the Earth's crust. Human jump simply cannot produce enough energy to affect those enormous geological forces. In reality, the biggest challenge would not be physics, it would be coordination. Getting every person on Earth to jump at the exact same second would be almost impossible because people live in different time zones, follow different schedules, and many are asleep, traveling, or unable to jump. So, if every human on Earth jumped together, the planet would stay safely in place. There would be no shift in Earth's orbit, no giant earthquake, and no global disaster. It would simply be an interesting scientific experiment that shows just how enormous our planet really is. Sometimes the most fascinating questions have the simplest answers. Our imagination makes the idea seem powerful, but science reminds us how incredibly large and stable the Earth truly is. If you enjoyed this amazing fact, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious for more incredible science and space facts.